Well, we're back. It's the weekend, Saturday morning. After talking to all the internet experts, I'm gonna cut everything out, start over. It's a new day. Okay, so I have the rear strut tops kind of cut out and tacked in. Okay, we are back to where I started this morning. Minus now we have the rear strut tower tie-in. So I'm gonna skip the door bars for now and start working on the front. Maybe I'll fix the door bars later. So we're starting the firewall pass through. I've cut the drip tray so I can, eventually get down in there and weld. That's the hole I cut in the firewall. Just remember to start small. You can always cut a bigger hole, but I will make a panel, to kind of patch this up. Well, we got the roof structure in, A-pillar to roof bar gussets in. The only thing that's not fitting so great right now, fits good up here, not so good up there. But I mean, all of this lines up, so not so sure. Quick tip when you're tying into the front suspension, there's going to be a lot of spots back here, up here, that you're not going to be able to weld. So weld as much as you can with it all tacked into the car. Cut, your few tacks, pull it out of the car, weld the backside, and then tack it back in. Otherwise, you're never going to be able to get into those areas. So, all right, I'm back with another video. As you can kind of see, there's some bars in the car. The internet doesn't know any better, so I'm just gonna say it's only been 2 days. Nobody's gonna know.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know.
Okay, so as you can see, it's rained a few times. And I completely forgot to film the whole making of this whole roll cage. It took a while talking back and forth with the company to try and make sure everything was correct. I was having some major issues. And then I just started going to town and totally forgot to film everything. So the car is still a mess. I still have a few other gussets to add in. As you can see, most of them fit very well. I had to do a little bit of trimming on some. But we got the dash bar, goes all the way across. We've got the engine bay bars. You can see the tin foil trying to stop the rain. A-pillar gussets, mirror gusset. And if we look under the hood, like I said, it's only been 2 days, so yeah, don't mind any of the rust. Luckily these are just tacked in, so I'm gonna break those out, clean them all, clean up the engine bay. I may actually get the interior sandblasted, so I can get rid of all the rust. I promise I'll time lapse the welding. So I know I missed the most important part of the install, but if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. I'll make sure to time-lapse the welding it, and hopefully I can have a certified cage here in the next week or two. Stay tuned.
When you got a passion, been on for so long, and everything around